Look in the mirror right now. No, seriously, do it. That guy staring back at you, he could look 10 times better. And I'm about to tell you exactly what's holding him back. You're not ugly. You're just lazy. And today, we're fixing that, because these 7 habits are silently sabotaging your appearance every single day, and most guys have no idea they're doing it. Habit number 1, skipping sunscreen. Fellas, I get it. Sunscreen sounds like something your mom nags you about, but UV damage is literally aging your face as we speak. Those fine lines, dark spots, and leather-textured skin, that's not distinguished. That's sun damage. And unlike fine wine, your skin does not get better with time when you're baking it daily. Here's the reality. The sun doesn't care about your masculinity. It's destroying collagen, creating wrinkles, and making you look older than you are. Apply SPF 30 minimum every morning. Yes, even when it's cloudy. Yes, even in winter. Get a lightweight formula if you hate the greasy feeling. Your future face will thank you. Habit number 2, sleeping on a dirty pillowcase. Your pillowcase is basically a bacteria hotel, and your face is checking in every night. All that oil, dead skin, and whatever else from your hair is getting reintroduced to your pores for 8 hours straight. Flip it, wash it, or get a silk one. Your skin isn't asking for much here. Habit number 3, touching your face constantly. Your hands are disgusting. Sorry, but it's true. Every time you rest your chin on your palm or scratch your cheek, you're transferring bacteria, oil, and dirt directly onto your face. This is Acne 101, gentlemen. Keep your hands busy with literally anything else. Habit number 4, ignoring your posture. Slouching doesn't just hurt your back, it completely changes how people perceive you. Bad posture makes you look tired, unconfident, and yes, less attractive. Stand up straight, pull your shoulders back, and suddenly you've added an inch of height and 10 points of attractiveness. It's free real estate. Habit number 5, dehydration. If your urine looks like apple juice, we have a problem. Water isn't just for staying alive, it's literally what keeps your skin from looking like a raisin. Dehydration causes dark circles, dull skin, and emphasizes every wrinkle. Drink more water, it's that simple. Your skin should glow, not look like dusty leather. Habit number 6, skipping the moisturizer. But I have oily skin is not an excuse anymore. Everyone needs moisturizer. When your skin is dry, it overproduces oil to compensate, making you look greasier. A good lightweight moisturizer keeps your skin balanced and healthy. Use it after washing your face every single time. And here's the thing. Moisturizer creates a protective barrier that actually makes your skin look healthier and more youthful. You don't need a 10-step Korean skincare routine. Just wash and moisturize. 2 steps, that's it. Even the busiest guy can handle that. Habit number 7, neglecting your eyebrows. Gentlemen, there's a difference between natural eyebrows and having 2 caterpillars fighting on your forehead. You don't need to get them shaped at a salon, but trim the wild hairs and clean up that unibrow situation if you've got one brewing. It takes 2 minutes and makes a massive difference. There you have it, 7 simple fixes that'll level up your appearance starting today. None of this requires a complete lifestyle overhaul or spending hundreds of dollars, just consistency and a tiny bit of effort. The difference between an average-looking guy and a good-looking guy often comes down to these small daily choices. You're already putting in effort, at the gym, at work, in your career. Why not put in 5 extra minutes for your face? The returns are massive. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense advice. Your future self is already looking better. Now go make it happen.